So here I got these two lead acid batteries. It's showing the voltage of 0.63 volt, which means the battery is dead. Let's check the another battery. It's also dead. So now I will open the lid and pour some water inside to fix it. It has 3 compartments to pour the liquid inside. Do you hear the sound? It's dried up. There is not even a single drop of liquid inside. So now I am going to add this distilled water inside to revive this battery. Put the things back. This battery has dried up as well. In this red battery, I will add normal tap water, which has around 1700 TDS. Voltage after adding water is increased. Let's charge these batteries. After charging for 30 minutes, we recorded the voltage of 5 volt. It's not fully charged yet, it's giving enough current to glow the LED. The battery with the distilled water shows 0.57 volt even after 2 hours of charging. And when I check the voltage of tap water battery, again after a few days it shows dead. But there are several videos on YouTube about reviving the batteries with the salt water. They are just fooling the peoples. It gives current at once but then it dies again, hence it's not a solution. To understand the things, we have to understand the mechanism of this battery. So basically it has two electrodes with electrolyte solution called sulfuric acid. It's diluted, hence it has enough water, but due to heating and oxidation it loses the water and eventually dries up. So we add distilled water to overcome this dehydration. But over time sulfuric acid gets converted into the lead sulfate. Now the battery is dead. It means it will not work even after adding distilled water. But still the salt water will give it life for once, but it will stop working within few hours. The good thing about this battery is it's recyclable. Just open the battery, clean the leads, the electrodes, replace the separative papers and add fresh sulfuric acid. Okay, hope you understand the concept. Ensure to subscribe. See you in the next video.